Hello all, hope you guys are doing well. Welcome to our channel Initial Solution. In today's video, I will show you how to add velocity in your video by using CapCut. Let's get into the video. First of all, open the CapCut app. Click on the New Project. Now select a video. Then Add. Now click on the Edit option. Now put the pointer you want your video to speed up or slow down. Okay, now split it. Now click on the speed option. Click on the normal option. Now speed up your video just like it. Let's make it 2x. Click on the right option. Again, click on the split option. Now again click on the edit option. Now again click on the speed option. Again normal. And now you can slow down your video. Now right click. Let's see what happened. See, it's done. Now just simply export your video. Click on the arrow sign. Now it's exporting. You can use it wherever you want. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much. Bye bye.